So if you've got a GM product that has this type of display for the climate control and sometimes a radio, they'll be a little bit different. You're going to see a lot of this on used vehicles. You're going to have these buttons where they're worn off, the original coating just wears off from use, and you get the exposed plastic underneath. You can go to several sources. I usually go to eBay or Amazon, and they have decals. As you can see here, they come with all the replacements for each button. And like I say, you'll have the temperature and fan speeds will be your worst, and then probably your power, and then sometimes your auto. Depends on what you use, as far as buttons you're using most often. They're the ones that obviously get worn out first. But these are just a vinyl decal. They're real cheap to buy. I kind of buy them in bulk because I use quite a few of them. But they're just easy to peel off and stick on there. I'll show you real quick kind of how they're done. I've just got this fan speed one here I'll do first. Just peel it off like that. Just line it up and rub it on. I would highly suggest to take like rubbing alcohol or something like that to clean the surface before you stick it on. That way, they'll go on and adhere real well to the button. Get this last one here. And that's that. Look like brand new again. So if you've got a GM vehicle, like I say, these are real cheap to do. If you either have one that you're driving or maybe you just bought one and it's got the worn buttons, don't worry about trying to replace anything. Just buy these decals, and it's a good, inexpensive way to fix your problem.